One little children, little million, one little five little Indian. Hi, Oscar. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Great. So, what's the problem, Oscar?
No problem. Today, we are giving prizes to all drivers who are wearing a seat belt. So, as you are wearing a seat belt, you have just $5,000. Congratulations! All drivers should be as careful as you.
Oh my God! That's great! What a surprise! Thank you, Oscar.
But what are you going to do with all money?
Well, first I will get my driver's license and I will pay a ticket I have.
How?
I don't believe her. See all the lines where I see a drunk.
Officer? Oh, man. I knew I wanted to get a fight in a stolen car. I thought to.
Hey amigos, have you crossed the Mexican border yet? Whoa!
I can't believe it. Get out the car. You guys are arrested.
No, officer, please, no, I have 5 kids. Eu tenho 5 niños, officer.
Look at a car. Get a car. Look,
That's it.